Mr. Raja to explain at the start why you believe that the time has come for Tamil Nadu to give the DMK-led alliance another shot. What is the key issue you are going to voters with? Why do you believe it's time for the EPS-OPS combo to go back home? Mr. A. Raja.
Well, thank you very much for this opportunity. Now there are two reasons in the mind of the people of Tamil Nadu. One is they feel that this government is a corrupt government. Number two, this government is aligning with the BJP, which is destroying the Tamil and Dravidian identity and cultural values. For these two reasons, people are very clear that this government is completely suffering slavery to the central government, which is ideologically against our Dravidian ideology. Number two, complete maladministration and corruption. Two reasons. I think that for these two reasons, the mindset that has been inculcated in Tamil Nadu, that this government, EPS, OPS-led government, will be thrown away.
Now it's interesting that the first charge you flung at the AIDMK government, of which the BJP is a partner and GVL Narasimha Rao will respond, is the charge of corruption, anti-incumbency, and therefore the opposition feels that it's time for the AIDMK government to pack up and go back home. Why do you think, to the contrary, GVL Narasimha Rao, that the BJP-AIDMK alliance has a shot and that you may come back to power?
Not we may, we will come back to power, Rahul, because this is a government that has delivered, and there is an overwhelming sentiment in Tamil Nadu that a government, a state and central government being ruled by the same alliance will actually give a very big boost to the growth of Tamil Nadu. And if there is any party that is synonymous with corruption, that is DMK. And people have not forgotten. And this is what Honorable Prime Minister in his rallies also talked about. So corruption blame is clearly laid at the doorstep of the DMK. And the ADMK government, despite the odds, you see, after the departure, after the demise of Dr. Jayalalitha, I think people didn't give any chance to the ADMK to really survive.
You are
not only did we
DMK
survive
of corruption. And it's interesting to see A. Raja is picking up his mic and saying, I want to answer, I want to answer.
Yes. We are in a debate.
It is unfortunate, and it is diluting the stature of the Prime Minister, who spoke at Coimbatore conference that DMK is known for corruption. Right from the inception of the DMK government, from 1967, charges were leveled during the MISA period that Sarkaria Commission was formed as against our leader, Dr. M. Kalaignar Karunanidhi, which says nothing. The charges leveled by MGR and AIDMK, then party opposition, was completely nullified and demolished. In spite of that, coming to 2G. 2G, with due respect to the Prime Minister, I am telling, right from the 17th century, that Varanasi period, in India, as against a politician, as a governor, in a public administration, corruption charges was leveled as against Varanasi, Governor General of India. But he was impeached in the parliament. Advice was given by his counsel, appear before the court, appear before the parliament, give your side. Right from Varanasi up to Jayalalitha, your own partner, up to Jayalalitha, corruption charges were leveled, but none of them, right from the Varanasi, you take Lalu, you take any Prime Minister or any Cabinet Minister or any public politician, up to Jayalalitha, who had been leveled charges under the Corruption Act, were never preferred to go into box. I did it. I filed an application before the OP Saini, Lordship.
You know, it's interesting.
Wait 1 minute. The first time, OP Saini said, I completed my 40 years experience in 25 years experience in judiciary, in the criminal law. I have not come across a single person who opted to come to the box to depose evidence against the prosecution. I used to stand before the box, before the public prosecutor, before the CBI for 14 days. I was grilled. I was cross-examined. Nothing was plucked out from his skull. What does it mean? Still you are saying that corruption. That is why I am telling, right from 67, yes, charges were leveled. That is universal. Allegation and counter.
can I-
wait, wait.
No, Miss-
Allegation and counter allegations are quite natural in public life.
Mr. Raja,
But what is the
Mr.
ultimate
Raja,
judgment?
Mr. First come, first served. I think a common man, a layman who looks at the
What-
manner
after
in which,
judgment, what I can do?
kindly allow me to make
After
the statement and
judgment.
you can say, a common
Brother,
man,
brother,
a
brother,
layman
no,
will say,
no.
how could you give a very highly prized item
that was
like
accepted
Spectrum?
by trial, na?
I don't know, forget.
No,
Ask
no.
the common man. Should
You-
it be
okay.
given on first come,
Okay.
first served basis?
Can I-
And
shall-
that
shall I
also,
go to merit of the case?
even that has
Shall
not
I
been
go to
adhered
merit of the case for 2G?
Mr.
I am ready
Raja-
for 1 hour.
No, it was not. No. Please, let
Please
me
come.
have my say, then you can count.
Say, I am ready for debate
No,
for exclusively
first
2G.
come, first
Sorry.
served basis.
If you are coming for exclusively 2G, I am ready to, I am prepared myself to argue. Exclusive for 2G.
No, not exclusive. When
First
you said
come-
you started making leveling charges of corruption against ADMK. I am laying the same charges against you.
Why-
There is
why-
nothing
why-
against the
it's a
ADMK.
complete mockery.
There is not a single
See,
charge against
the
the
chief
present
minister
government
was
in Tamil Nadu.
convicted by the Supreme Court. Chief minister was convicted by the Supreme Court. I quote the judgment. What has been done by Jayalalitha A1 is nothing but
Jivel.
Mr. Raja, you want-
unpardonable onslaught
But the
on
people
the
will judge.
constitution, religion, which is the basis of a democracy.
No,
This is the exact quoting from the judgment.
my suggestion to you, Mr. Raja, if you want to make this sort of a referendum on the corruption in the UPA era, please do it. I think we
No,
will
no,
be happy
not
to
at all.
really fight
Not
you.
at all.
We will
See,
be very happy
no,
to
no,
fight the DMK
see,
on the
what-
corruption
what
agenda.
type of moral right you are having when you are having a partner who is convicted by the Supreme Court with heavy language. I requote it again. Exactly. What has been done by Jayalalitha A1 in this case is nothing but an unpardonable onslaught on the constitution,
Mr.
religion,
Raja,
which is
okay,
the basis for
okay,
democracy.
Mr.
I
Raja,
must-
will you? I'm
That is Supreme Court,
inviting
yeah?
you.
You have to bow the Supreme Court.
No, Mr. Raja, I'm inviting you to please make this an electoral issue.
I am doing it.
You will pay a price. We have made it.
doing it.
We have made it. Prime Minister has
No.
already talked about it.
Which one?
Okay.
That is what I am telling. Sir, sorry to say, Prime Minister is so naive about the political system of Tamil Nadu. With due respect, I am telling. You are having a partner who is convicted.
You are the first person to
Whereas
say Prime Minister
I have
is
been
right,
acquitted.
and I'm
I have
happy
been
about that.
acquitted by court of law. I am challenging you.